Name is Ali. I want to talk around the diode. Diode has two terminals. The negative terminal indicated by the gray band here, and the current can just flow through the diode from positive side, which called anode, to the negative side, which called cathode. Here we have a water channel model. In this picture, we bias the diode in a reverse. It means that we connect the negative to the anode and the positive to the cathode. So the channel blocked and the water can flow through the channel. In these pictures, we can see that we connected the positive side to the anode and the negative side to the cathode, so the water can flow through the channel. So I want to show the circuit. Okay, in this way I put the diode in a reverse direction, so the LED is off, and if I put it in a direct way, we can see the diode and the LED is on. Have a nice day.